If you broke and you have a bad habit of spending money and you living paycheck by paycheck, and then let's say you win the lottery and you win $100,000, what do you think is gonna be easier for you? Double that money and make a profit out of that money, or spend that money? You might end up broke again with $0 in the negative again, because the problem is not the money itself. The problem is that you haven't becoming that person to increase that money. You haven't becoming that person to run that business. You haven't become that person to keep that relationship. You haven't become that person to lose that weight and keep it off. So many people lose 20 pounds, 30 pounds, etc. And then they forget about their feelings, they forget about the things they have done, and they want to go back to be the old person they used to be, and they go back and regain that weight. That means they haven't become that person.